Today we're going to Palm Beach near Peanut Island, where we're gonna be taking our vessels. We're gonna be cleaning up some plastic. We're at our shop here in Florida. We got the boats hooked up, we got the truck, we got all the gear, but we're testing out a new concept today. So we've got a partnership with Sea-Doo, and they just provide us with this ski. And what we've done is we built actually a surfing sled that's used for towing people around for big wave surfing, but we've actually outfitted it with one of our blue bins so that we can pull more plastic. And that way we'll be using the ski, the boat, we'll be cruising the islands, we'll clean up some plastic, and we're gonna make it happen, y'all. Phew! All right, we're ready. Yeah. All right. Back this guy on up. Throw that front attachment on. All right, we rigged up basically the bungees with other snaps that are gonna go to the D-rings under. And what this does is it's just bungee that you tighten down and cinch down. So you've got the sled hooked up, and then the sides bungees that just keep it stable as you're turning. So we just gotta loosen it with the ring. Boom. How you feeling on your side? Perfect. This is the first time we're actually taking it out to clean some plastic. We're gonna see what happens, but I mean, we got a lid dialed in, we got our bin. We've tested it out. We've got some footage out there, Dave and I jumping in this thing, making sure it can hold some weight, but. Ah! Oh, shit! Let's go see what happens. Let's go clean some plastic. I feel like a scout back in the days, like the horse that goes up and scouts everything, and we bring in the cavalry. It's like wrapping or strap, some type of weird material. It's like almost like a tarp. It seems like it was like a strapping to a cover to like a boat wrap or something along those lines, but problem is it starts breaking down and disintegrating in tiny little pieces. Bingo. Boom! We're on the board.
So much styrofoam you would not believe. It's like fistfuls of styrofoam. Like, those are all styrofoam beads. That's not sand or shells, it's just styrofoam. It's everywhere and everybody uses it. It's in every industry and it just breaks down so quickly into tiny little beads.
Rebecca, check it out, we got a tire.
Dang, pretty buried.
Yeah. You ready? One, two. There we go.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You're good.
Got one in the head.
Boom. Yeah. Boom. We're gonna try and fill that thing up full. We want to put as much weight as possible to simulate what it's like going on these strike missions, and we want to know how it handles, so we're gonna fill her up. Let's do this. Peanut Island's not very big. It's a pretty small island, but it's centrally located in Palm Beach, and there's a lot of people that come here to party and have a good time on the weekends and do all sorts of stuff, and a lot of what we're finding is a lot of the single-use plastics, right? It's the single-use cutlery, it's the bottle caps, it's all of the single-use plastic, as well as the stuff that's coming in off the Gulf Stream. It's coming on the incoming tide, and then the wind's pushing on the shores. That's where we're getting, like, you know, a lot of the bags, a lot of the floating debris. Here's the old oil container that you can see. It's got growth on it. It's been floating in the ocean for a very long time, and who knows where this came from. Hope you didn't do legs this morning, Dave. We're gonna have to push this ski. All right. So we recently partnered with Sea-Doo, and they provided us with some jet skis to be able to use for our cleanup operations. And this is the Sea-Doo Fish Pro, which is incredibly versatile. You can do so many different things with it. We're really big fans because not only can you fit 3 people on it, it's great for fishing, great for diving. It's got the Sea-Doo Link system, so you can change out for the cooler, a gasoline caddy, basically anything you need. But you've got a depth finder GPS Garmin combo on here, as well as a nice sound system that's waterproof. I mean, it's really, really versatile. We've got the sled hooked up so we can clean plastic. There's so many applications that you can do with this thing. There's not many things that it can't do. So we're fired up. We're stoked to partner with Sea-Doo. And I am frothing. Bingo. The cool thing about this design was that we built it so that it could be modular so you can disconnect it pretty easily. And then when we're cleaning in the mangroves and we're in these different places that it's hard to reach, hard to get to, you unhook the sled, push it into the mangroves, you can load it up with plastic. And right now it's loaded down. It's got tires, tarps, all sorts of stuff in there. Load it up, bring it back, hook it back onto the ski, and you're back in action. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Throw the straps through her. All right, so successful day on the surf ski. The strike mission worked out. Test went according to plan. We've got a few modifications, a few changes we need to make, but overall, we got another vessel in the fleet, another tool in the toolbox. So we're ready to rock, baby. Phew.